company specializes in the manufacture of embossed aluminum, license plates, metal signs, as well as wood signs. The markets that we sell into are collegiate industry, the beverage, heavily into automotive. Our distribution is in the promotional products industry as well as gift and novelty. Do all of our manufacturing here on site in Tucker, Georgia. When we were searching for a solution, information software solution, we're focusing on the long term. Just like any business decision, you have to think long term. And SAP has such a huge name, not only in our little industry, but worldwide, and we could grow along with SAP.
One of the reasons why we selected SAP Business One is we wanted more visibility in our production facilities and to have more data that's more accessible to us on the fly. One of our SAP partners that we work with is Abasoft, and they've been very good with this to help us kind of create reports and to help us create the visibility that we need. We have to strategically have software in place.
They've been helpful in developing specialized programs or reports that we need in order to run more efficiently. It's really been, kind of no looking back.
The software helps us to analyze data, and we can extrapolate that kind of data from the system and to be able to tell what the market is demanding. You have to be able to respond to trends and be able to respond to customer needs. The more accurate it is, the better we are to improve our actual customer service and to help our growth as well. So it's not a complex system, but it's a very malleable and adaptive system. Considering the investment into SAP, I feel that the software allows us to appear more professionally from an outside perspective. As a company, you want to have a big impact on your visibility.
As we dive into new markets, new products, we expect for SAP to support us in all of our endeavors. And so far, so good.